Hey everyone, it's Adam from Just Engine Management in Sydney, Australia. We've been on the edge of our seats waiting for the new Haltech Nexus plug-in ECU, and we finally got our hands on one. I'm going to do a quick unbox. Let's have a look and see what's in the box. There it is, the long-awaited Nexus plug-in. It's got the factory Nissan plug on the front. It's got a map sensor on board, up to 43 pound boost, C-type USB port, 4 plug half bridge outputs, and then an auxiliary connector. Quick start guide, box of goodies, mounting brackets for the OEM location. Check out how nice that bracket is. Nexus plug-in Nissan Skyline component kit. USB cable, some wiring, some harness. So in this bag we've got vacuum lines, there's a metal T-piece, cable ties, so that goes from the ECU map sensor straight to the engine. It's got these cool brackets specific for whichever vehicle you've got, R32 bracket, R33 bracket, R34 bracket, 33, 34 ECU mounting bracket, obviously the ECU, C-type USB cable with a Haltech name stamped on it, which is cool. Got the half bridge output connector. There's an air temp sensor with a weld on bung ready to weld onto your cooler pipe before the plenum. Some spare pins for the auxiliary input and output harness plug, which has actually even got the air temp wiring and the LSU 4.9 wideband harness wideband on there ready to go. Looks like it's full length. And don't forget the Haltech sticker kit with the quick keys cheat sheet. So we're going to have a quick look at the quick start guide. So yeah, shows the supported models, what's in the box, and the optional accessories. You can get an IO expansion harness, the drive-by-wire extension harness, and the LSU 4.9 hardware pack. And that's the next page. And the next page. I hope you can read because it does a lot of cool stuff. Check out the outputs, the inputs. Quick rundown on how to install the software and go online with the ECU and set up Wi-Fi. Load your base map using the setup wizard. You can even connect your Haltech app via Wi-Fi directly to the ECU. Detailed pinouts, more detailed pinouts, auxiliary connector information, more extra information, illustrated view of how to connect the brackets, more bracket info, R33, R34, CAN bus specifics. Hope you enjoyed the unbox presentation. Now we're super excited to put it in the car. Thanks for watching.